The creative agent is great for making big design changes quickly, but sometimes your asset is 95% of the way there and you just need to dial in the details. That's what the Design tab is for. In this lesson, we'll walk through how to effectively use the Design tab to make precise, manual adjustments to get your asset looking exactly right. When should we use the Design tab? The creative agent is its most effective when making large changes. It can change layouts, rewrite copy, swap colors, even create and restructure sections. But if you need to move a button 2 pixels to the left, tighten the spacing between a header and a subheader, or set an exact font size, the Design tab can be a great tool. To access these design settings, click on any element in the canvas and then select the Design tab from the navigation bar. What you see in the Design tab is always specific to whatever you have selected. So if you click a button, you'll see the button properties. If you click a section, you'll see a section properties. The Design tab gives you granular control over a wide range of properties. Here are the most common element properties you'll be editing. You can adjust spacing with margin and padding. Margin controls the space outside of an element. Padding controls the space inside it. If a button feels too close to a neighboring element, increase the margin. If the text inside the button feels too cramped, increase the padding. Adjusting size with width and height. Useful for when you need an element to be a specific size or when the agent has sized something slightly off from what you need. You can adjust layout with alignment and direction and how elements stack or sit next to each other inside a container. This is where you'd go to center something, push it to the left, or to flip a 2-column layout. If the element you've selected contains text, you can change these properties. You'll see the options for font size, font weight, line height, letter spacing, and text alignment. These let you make typography tweaks without changing your global brand settings. Let's go through a quick example. Here's what a typical Design tab workflow looks like. Say you've got a hero section where the primary and secondary CTA buttons are sitting a little too close together. Click the secondary CTA button to select it. In the Design tab, scroll to the Layout section and find the margin controls. Add just a touch of left margin, maybe 12 to 16 pixels, and watch the spacing adjust in real time in the canvas. Or say a section header looks too heavy. Click in the header text, go to the Design tab, and reduce the font weight from bold to semi-bold, or bring the font size down a step. At the bottom of the Design tab, there's also a custom CSS field for any element. If you know CSS and need to apply something the standard controls don't expose, you can write it directly here. This is an advanced option and not something most users will need regularly, but it's there when you need it. The Design tab is your precision tool, and it can be very helpful for finishing up that last mile in asset creation. In the next lesson, we'll cover publishing your asset and getting your link set up.